Suppose a big canal runs along your village. People have to cross it every day, but they face many problems. Only the construction of a bridge can solve the problem. Now, write an application to the chairman of your union council for the construction of a bridge over the canal in your locality. মনে করো, তোমাদের গ্রামের পাশ দিয়ে একটি খাল প্রবাহিত। প্রতিদিন লোকজনকে এটি পার হতে হয়, কিন্তু তারা অনেক সমস্যার মুখোমুখি হন। শুধু একটি সেতু নির্মাণই এই সমস্যার সমাধান করতে পারে। এখন, ইউনিয়ন কাউন্সিলের চেয়ারম্যানের কাছে খালের ওপরে একটি সেতু নির্মাণের জন্য আবেদনপত্র লেখো। আনস 9 জানুয়ারি 2025। The Chairman, Damuria Union Council, Demra, Dhaka. Subject: Application for constructing a bridge over a canal. Dear Sir, with due respect, we, the inhabitants of Damuria of Demra Thana in your district, lay the fact before you that we have to face a lot of problems as there is a canal over which there is no bridge. This canal separates US from schools, colleges and the Thana headquarters. There was a bridge, but a few days ago it broke down due to overuse. So, the people of this village have been suffering for a long time. We, therefore, hope that you would understand the gravity of the problem and take immediate steps to construct a bridge over the canal. Sincerely yours. Ek, Masoom Ahmad. 2. Maruf Hussain. On behalf of the villages of Damuria, Demra, Dhakao.